Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you use Excel quickly and easily with our digestible video tutorials. We've already seen how to delete rows one by one in our previous tutorial, but this method is best when there are only a few rows to remove. Now, let's look at how to delete a larger number of blank rows from a big table. We'll also show you a special hack that you won't find in other YouTube tutorials. To start, go to the Home tab, select the Editing group, and click on Find and Select. Choose Blanks, and every blank row in the table will get highlighted. Then click on Delete in the Home tab under Cells, and select Delete Sheet Rows. You're all done. But be careful. Here's the issue you could run into when deleting multiple rows. If you have partially filled rows with some blank and some filled cells, you could end up losing important data. To prevent this from happening, watch our advanced video tutorial and learn how to handle this situation without losing your data. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show your support by giving us a like and subscribing to Sheet Leveler. We're dedicated to helping you quickly and easily learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.